What is up guys, Tan of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Base44 to n8n. So first you need to head over to n8n's website and then you need to log in with your account credential. After that, you need to click on create workflow and from here you need to click on add first step. Then click on trigger manually and then click on plus icon again and then search for Base44. And after searching for Base44, but if you can't find the base44, you have the option to connect it with the HTTP request. So now just simply click on HTTP request and after that here you will see the option to enter the URL. So in the URL section you need to head over to base44 and then choose any of the AI like Grok, ChatGPT or Zapier, whatever you'd like. I've chosen Grok and here you can see this URL. Simply copy this URL, head back to n8n and after that you just simply need to paste it and after pasting you need to click on execute step at the top and after clicking here you can see the node has been executed successfully and it is connected to your base44. So as you can see, this is the base44's URL and your n8n is connected to your base44. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.